Yo, so you know I'm not going to steer you in the wrong direction. I posted a video last night of me using the Roland BT-12 DTG. I've had that for a couple years. I put a couple people on that. They are successful with it. I'm going to leave a link down here below so you can see just how successful, because one of my friends, I think her thing is called With Love from Boss Lady or Boss Lady with Love, but her name is Victoria. Longtime friend, and she kills it on this Roland. Look, so much so that Roland features her every single day. That's how great these little machines are. I don't use it so much anymore, but I will occasionally pop in and use it. I've done a ton of things on there, from towels to socks to coasters. You can get some good quality stuff on that machine. Only thing I don't like about it, the space is small, 8.5 by 11 or 11 by 8.5. But don't let that spook you, because you can still do a lot of stuff with it. I'll leave a link below for Roland if you're interested in even looking at one. It's a great little startup for someone young, right? Getting into the DTG game or the t-shirt business, or any crafter, any age really. There's no age limit to this stuff. Like I said, I've done towels, I've done socks, I've done coasters. I did some panties on there. I didn't do your panties, but I did some panties. Here's some of the work I did on that BT-12 coming up. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a like, a share, comment, thumbs up, do something with it. But I hope that you enjoy it. I'll leave a link below for Roland as well. And here's a few of them. I see the head. I see the head. It's coming out. It's coming out. I see the head. Come on, I feel like I'm giving birth. It's a Manny. Like that comes with it. Everything's lined up already, right? Take your shirt, line that bad boy up perfectly. Now this, you can either go portrait or you can go landscape. So we're going portrait or landscape right now. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go portrait. Watch this. Line that bad boy up. All right. And make sure he's lined up. And check this out. Pop the corners in. Look at this. Look how simple this is. You want in on the DTG program? You want to make some bread like me right now? Well, this is the way. I'm giving it to you. I'm giving you free game. Free 99. Bam. Ready to go. Close that bad boy up. And then you're going to stick it down in this little oven I'm going to show you right now. Alright, here is your oven. Look how simple this is. You're going to preheat that bad boy. Toss him in there. Voila. Like I'm making myself a t-shirt pizza. That was stupid, but you understand. Bam. There you go. Simple as that. 30 seconds, let that bad boy preheat. Alright, so 30 seconds. Alarm just went off, letting us know it's done. Take that bad boy out, and we're going to put him up top. Alright, so now I just moved it from the bottom to the top. And we're going to set our graphic up, and let's see what it is that I'm going to press on here for you today. Alright, so we are going to press this here. First birthday, Mickey Mouse. See, all I've simply done is import my image. It's the most easiest software on this planet. You've got the option of some contrast and some brightness to bring the image out a little bit better. I do tend to use the contrast. I like to bring that up, so that it prints nice and full color like that. And simple as this. Here's your preview. That's what our shirt's going to look like. It'll be bigger than that. Go back here. Check this out. Simple as hitting print. Go back down here. Hit print one time, and voila. Now watch this. All right. So once you hit print up there, you're going to see that little screen right there, and the screen says hit start. Watch how simple this is. We've already heated it. Everything's ready to go. Bam. All right, thinking about it. Pop it out one time, and bam. And there he goes. So now we'll wait. I'll show you what it looks like when it pops out. Uh-oh, almost done. Look at that. Ooh, look at that beauty. Look how simple that is. I think you can see me. Look. Look at that high quality shirt. Simple as that. Then you're gonna take this shirt, put it right back down in the oven again, because now you want to heat it up. Simple. All right, slide that guy back in there again. Look, opposite way. I got him set to a minute. You can set it to 3 minutes or so to finish it off, but I tend to put it around a minute or so. And then that's it. All right, the shirt is done. Now let's pull this bad boy out and see what it looks like. You're gonna love it. Open that guy back up. Take him back out. Oh my God. Check that out. Look at that. Look how beautiful that comes out. You see that? Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. How beautiful the ink looks. Look at that image.